You know why I'm flexing these muscles? You know why I'm trying to look so cool? I've got this cap on, I've got these shades, I've worked on myself this morning. I've picked up this exotic location, my camera is right here. I'm making this video, I'm looking at myself, and I know deep within that I look cool. Alright? There is that narcissistic tendency in me, in you, in all of us. Alright? And why not? This life has happened to us. We want to look cool. We want to be in the best places, make the best of this opportunity, work on these muscles, work on our looks, work on the way we speak, way we walk, way we make the best of this opportunity that is being a human. So yes, there is a bit of narcissism in all of us, right? But there is a fine line, absolute fine line, all right? Once this narcissism crosses that boundary of ego that knows no borders, what starts to happen? Every single effort that you make on yourself, every time you flex your muscles, every time you look at yourself, every time you wear these clothes, the watch, the cap, every single thing for yourself, you've fallen in a pit in which your happiness is now relative. But what is happening somewhere out there? Someone is working, observing, and seeing the opportunity that you are, and they want to become better than you. So what happens as someone else better than you comes up? Alright, no matter how good you look, your narcissism is crushed because your happiness is relative. Alright, maybe on the outside you look so cool, but deep within you haven't worked on yourself. Deep within you are a wreck. Deep within there is nothing that holds you together. You're standing on that single leg, right? That is so imbalanced and you fall down, right? As we keep working on ourselves every single day, we've got to realize that the real work needs to be done deep within. As we become stronger from within, what happens? Every single thing that we manifest on the outside, alright, it's gonna hold us together in that moment with consciousness and awareness. Alright, have a good one. Cheers.